Chicken Caesar party sub. I have really thin chicken cutlets in a bowl and I added some lemon zest and I'm going in with quite a bit of store-bought pesto and salt and pepper. Simple, simple. All right, this chicken is totally coated, so I'm gonna put it onto a hot grill pan and I'm gonna go ahead and make the Caesar dressing. So I'm gonna start with some mayonnaise and a squirt of Dijon mustard, and then some minced garlic. I like to add anchovies to my Caesar salad dressing, and then I'll sprinkle in some salt and pepper and a good amount of lemon juice. All right, ooh, that's a juicy lemon. And then a bunch of grated Parmesan cheese, which gives the Caesar dressing just such amazing texture. All right, gonna let the food processor do all the work. Ooh, that looks good. Caesar dressing is good to go. So now it's time to turn the chicken cutlets. So these need to go for another 3 to 4 minutes on the second side, and then I'll toast the baguette and show you how to build this sandwich. So I split a baguette in half and I drizzled it generously with olive oil, and now I'm gonna sprinkle it generously with Parmesan. You could also do this to the outside of the bread if you prefer it that way, or you could do it to both the inside and the outside. All right, I'm gonna spread the Parmesan so it's in an even layer. And now this is gonna go under the broiler for about 3 to 4 minutes until it's toasted and golden. Ooh boy, so much amazing flavor. So I'll get this onto the board. Ooh, hot. And I'm gonna show you how to build this chicken Caesar party sub. First thing I'm gonna do is spread some of the Caesar dressing on this toasted Parmesan bread. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken on the bottom baguette half. And I'm not even cutting it up, I'm just laying it edge to edge, and just make sure the chicken is sort of covering all of the surface of the bread. I love the color of roasted bell peppers. Again, just kind of move them around so they're evenly on there. So I'm gonna push the sandwich to the side just for a sec. And I have some really thinly sliced romaine lettuce, which is Caesar salad lettuce. I'm gonna toss it with a bunch of this dressing. Alrighty, now I'm going to carefully pile this dressed lettuce onto the sandwich. Okay, got that, most of that piled on there. Not too bad. So yes, the top half of the baguette goes on top. And then I'll just give it a little press. Now, if you want to, you can stick some toothpicks strategically here and there just to keep it together. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a couple of slices and show you what this looks like. Some of it is falling out onto this board, but that is okay. So I've got a pretty board to serve it on, and I'll put the main sandwich there. And the 2 little pieces go on the end, and then everybody can see what it's all about. I love how fresh and pretty this sandwich is.